RMS Omega, we're passionate about improving outcomes through strategic technology solutions. With RMS, you get a total solution from a single source. We are a leading systems integrator for advanced tracking and automated data collection solutions, utilizing RFID, mobile data collection, barcode printing, scanning, and wireless networking. We partner with organizations of all sizes throughout North America to design, deploy, manage, and service meaningful applications that enhance productivity, meet compliance demands, reduce operating costs, and ultimately improve outcomes. Specializing in healthcare, manufacturing, and supply chain applications, we have a team of experts with decades of experience, including a professional services team to support you from the start of your project and years into the future. At RMS Omega, we take your business challenges seriously. We gather the necessary industry research to provide unbiased manufacturer recommendations in the most cost-effective manner. Whether your goal is to improve patient safety, your supply chain, or mobile workforce efficiencies, RMS Omega is here to help.